Hello guys, welcome back to the series of Introduction to Cybersecurity. This is the second video of the series. In this video, we will talk about CIA Triads. The three-letter CIA Triad stand for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. The CIA Triad is a common model that forms the basics of the development of security systems. They are used for finding the vulnerabilities and methods for creating the solutions. The three term of information is crucial to the operation of a business. It helps to guide the security teams as they pinpoint the different ways in which they can address each concern. Ideally, when all the three standards have been met, the security profile of the organization is stronger and better equipped to handle the threat incidents. So today in this video, we will more talk about the confidentiality. So confidentiality is basically refers to the assurance that the sensitive information is only accessible to authorized individuals, entities, or the processes. In essence, confidentiality ensures that the data remains private and cannot be disclosed or accessed by the unauthorized parties. If we are talking about in-depth explanation of the confidentiality, we can consider the different factors such as protection of the sensitive information, how we can protect the information by implementing the different ways, implementing the access controls, which basically restrict the individuals or the processes that have a legitimate need to know. Access control mechanisms such as authentications, authorizations, encryptions are implemented that only ensures authorized users can access the confidential data by using the encryptions. By using the encryption techniques, we can encrypt the data while sending over the web, and only the authorized user having the decryption key can able to access and read the data. By using the secure communication channels, make sure that the data whatever you are sending over the net are sending over secure communication protocols such as SSL or TLS for the web traffics and the VPN for the remote access. Encrypt data in a transit to prevent the eavesdropping and interception by the unauthorized parties.